Hey y'all, I got me in a new welding hood. This is the LYG M800H. It's an auto darkening welding hood. I'm gonna get it opened up and check it out and then try it out. I'll put some of the specs right over here so you can read those while I'm opening this. It's auto darkening helmet. It's a little booklet here. I guess the instruction has a battery right here. That's good to have. Comes in a nice little carrying bag here, it looks like. Check this out. Cool, huh? I thought it was cool looking. Comes with your little, looks like a shade selection suggestion. There's adjustable straps in here to make it fit just right. You don't want it to be too loose. You don't want it to be too tight. Just right. I like that. That's pretty cool looking, I think. You can see that it has the different pre-selected settings on it. You got grind, cut, and weld. Of course, your dial settings, your delay, your shade, and your sensitivity. There's that adjustable straps up in there if you can see that. Pull off of here. Pretty cool. Gonna need a little adjustment here. Fits pretty snug up against over here on the sides. Like right in here, it fits pretty tight. That's better than it being loose though. I like how it comes way around on the side. It'll protect you, especially when you're running a grinder. It's good that it comes that far back. It's kind of hard to see, but up in here, there is a test button where you can test that darkening before you actually use it. That's a nice little feature there. There's a low battery indicator in there by the test button as well. I guess it'll light up when the battery starts to get low. And the instructions will go through here and tell you the different settings. Also, since you probably won't be able to see up in there, but the battery comes with an extra battery and an extra lens, and it'll show you how to, here's your lens and your battery. It'll show you how to change these out here in the instructions. Looks pretty simple, not a problem at all. I'm gonna try it out, see how it works. I tell you what, I really like this helmet. That auto darkening it's fantastic. Great. I like the design on it too, really cool. Definitely a thumbs up. If you like this helmet and you want to get yourself one, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I'd appreciate it. Hey, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.